Hey guys, back on the testnet today, just doing a quick video explaining how to avoid fees. Now, I've talked to a few guys in the Telegram chat and they are having issues avoiding the fee. Someone has told them that they need to use limit orders, but they are not using it correctly. So today I'm going to help you fix that problem. As you all know, we have market orders and limit orders. Market orders, 100% you will pay the fee. Limit order, if you put your limit order above the current price and buy, you're still going to pay the fee. Just because you're using a limit, it doesn't get rid of the fee. I currently have 10,000 contracts open. My entry was 9,000. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close 1,000 of these using a limit order. And I'm going to set the price at 7,150, which is above where I currently am. If I do that, I have to pay fees, guys. The reason being is because I took the market, I didn't make it. You have to be a market maker to avoid the fee and get paid the maker bonus. It's a bonus fee that you get. It's 0.025% of the position that you close. Price is currently 7,023. I'm going to click on 7,000, which is below the price, and then I'm going to press buy. It's going to open an order there. This is currently, you can see how it's yellow in the order book. I'm waiting for the price to come down to me, therefore I am a market maker, therefore I do not have to pay fees. So if you thought that just using a limit order is going to save you fees, no, you actually have to set your limit below the current price. How do I ensure that I do not take the fee? I can press post only. Post only order will not execute immediately against the market. Use this to ensure a maker rebate. So the rebate is the opposite of the fee. It's what you get for the limit. If I went to 7,100, press buy, it won't let me. See, it said order has execute of participate, do not initiate. So it won't let me do it if I have post order because it realized I will be taking the fee. But if I set it at 7,000, it will allow me. So that is the point of post only, guys, is to avoid fees no matter what. It will, if you're going to take the fee, it will cancel your order. It won't even set the order. Show you again. 7,100. We buy. Still have 9,000 contracts. It cancelled my order. 7,000. We buy. Set my order. Now another interesting thing is getting out of your position little by little. Everyone that I've talked to in the chat is, for the most part, understanding this, but if you didn't know, you can escape your position in increments. You do not have to sell everything at once. If I'm in a 9,000, or before I was in a $10,000 short, I don't have to sell the rest of my 9,000 contracts all at once. I can do it 1,000 at a time. And this is known as scaling out. And it is very useful for getting in and out of positions. So what I'm going to do, I've set a $1,000 a buy order at 7,000. I'm going to set one at 6,950. So just click here. I set the increment to 50. I'm going to set it to 25. You can change the increments there, the grouping increment of the order book. I'm going to set it to 25. This little cog here. 25, and I'm going to click on 6975. I'm going to set another buy order. I'm going to do the same thing at 950. I'm going to do the same thing at 925. This, by clicking here, I'm avoiding having to type this in. It's very easy. There is a tool to do this, but I mean, if you know this trick, you really don't need it. So yeah, guys, just set the order book to 25 or 10 or whatever your increment is you want, and then set all your orders. I'm just going to set them all the way down until all my contracts are sold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 3 more. Just make sure it's the correct number and then enter the position. Look at that, guys. I have 8 buy orders. And just because I can, I'm going to close one of them right here. See that? So now I've got an $8,000 position, and I've got 8 buy orders, which is the opposite of my short, which means it will close 1,000 contracts at a time. Set up just like that, and that's how you escape a position without waiting for it just to hit one price. I mean, I could have 8,000 right at 6,925, but the chances that it hits that is much lower than it hitting all of these one by one and having an average of 6,925. So yeah, that's how we scale in and out of a position. Opposite would be true if we're trying to get into a position. For example, if I wasn't in a short right now, I could enter my long through these 8 positions. Now make sure you have a set buy and sell zone to do this, but that is the basics of it. If you have any other questions, let me know, but these are the basic mechanics to perform scale in, scale out. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day.